Welcome to DashCam Info. My name is Dirk and here is the Azdome M550 Pro. We're going to unbox it, I will install it in the car and we're going to take a look at the app, and of course I'm going to show you footage by day and also by night. As a 3-channel dashcam, and then also after taking off the cabin cam as a dual-channel dashcam. In the box we do get the owner's manual and a very good looking power adapter that has a little bit of a carbon texture. For the power supply, a very long USB to mini USB cable is included. Next thing I'm taking out is the rear camera. The cable is directly attached to it. You cannot unplug it. Tools and hooks for cable management are also included, and many adhesive films that you put directly on your windshield or on your rear window. An adhesive connection spare plate for your front camera is also included. And here it is, the Azdome M550 Pro. I like the very slim, sleek look of it. I also like very much that already in the installation mount the GPS sensor is included, so it does not require an extra cable and an extra part that you have to install. It's super easy to remove or to connect the cabin camera. It's a simple plug and play and it's held by a very strong magnet. On the left side we do have a mini USB port for the power, our connector for the rear camera and our slot for the micro SD card. By the way, a 64 GB micro SD card was already inserted. The removal of the protection films is always the fun part. There's also an Azdome Hardwire Kit if you don't want to use the power adapter and if you permanently want to install this dashcam in your car. Since I'm reviewing dashcams on my channel, this is not an option for me, and that's why I'm installing it using the good looking power adapter. Since the cable is permanently affixed, I start with the rear camera. I already did cut out a small piece of adhesive film and put it on my rear window. The micro SD card is already inserted and now we're connecting the cable for the rear camera. Next we do connect the power cable. I already pre-installed a small piece of adhesive film to my windshield. And now it's time to give it some juice. Plugging it in for the very first time, we see the Azdome logo illuminating and we hear a welcoming sound. Next up we are prompted to insert our time zone and our time and date. Pressing M you enter the menu. With the up and down arrows you can browse through the options, and with the OK button you confirm your selection. It is very straightforward. Pressing M will also take you back to the previous screen. 3 green LEDs are blinking left and right to confirm your camera is recording. The few people among us who own a cell phone can actually scan the QR code in the manual to download the Azdome app. In your phone's Wi-Fi settings, click on the M550 Pro network and type in the high security password 12345678. Once connected to the network, you can open your Azdome app and connect it to your dashcam. Here you can access your footage, you can switch through the different cameras, and you can also go into the settings. Before doing anything of this, of course you have to stop the recording. Like the in-camera menu, also here everything is self-explaining and straightforward, very easy to use, very user-friendly. In dashcam albums you'll be able to access all your footage. One of the advantages of the M550 Pro is that now we do have, additional to the 2.4 GHz network, also a 5 GHz network available, and that results in so much faster download speed. Here's an example. I'm downloading a 3-minute 356 MB clip in less than 36 seconds. We have a 2K front camera, a 1080p cabin cam and a 1080p rear camera. Using it as a 3-channel dashcam, here is the first footage by day. So what are the main differences between the M550 and the M550 Pro? Well, now in our Wi-Fi network we do have not only the 2.4 GHz, we also have the 5 GHz available. The G sensor here records 5 seconds before an event trigger. Also, time-lapse gives us additional 5 FPS and 10 FPS to the already included 1 FPS. And the cabin camera is using a USB Type-C connection. The rear camera is no longer waterproof and needs to be installed inside of the car. Simply unplug the cabin cam to use it as a dual channel dash cam. And now you can go into the settings and set the video resolution of the main camera to 4K. And here's the daytime footage, front 4K, rear camera 1080p. And now we're looking at some night footage. Again, we're using it first as a 3-channel dash cam with the front in 2K and the cabin cam and rear camera in 1080p. I pulled over to remove the cabin cam and I set my front camera to 4K and the rear camera is still in 1080p. Now, after seeing my review, what are your thoughts on the Azdome M550 Pro? It's pretty amazing how easily you can convert a 2K 3-channel dashcam into a 4K 2-channel dashcam by simply removing the cabin cam. An easy way to support my channel would be to leave a like, and if you like my channel overall, please consider to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.